Hey friends, I'm Rebecca, this is Body Illumination, and today we are doing HIIT, high intensity interval training, kickboxing. You're going to need a dumbbell, a pair of dumbbells, light dumbbells, anywhere from 1 to 5. You're going to need a block. You will need some sneakers, a smile, some water, and I'm also using my Pilates box to do some of the calisthenics on. You don't need it, it's just optional, and it's easier to show you what I'm doing when I'm demonstrating on a box as opposed to the floor. So we're doing 30 seconds on, 15 seconds off. Those 30 seconds are intense work intervals, 15 seconds recovery. I'll throw a positive affirmation at you so that that'll sink into you when you're a little bit fatigued. It'll go into your cellular tissue. If you can repeat it, that's great. If you can't, that's fine too. Make sure you get hydrated on those intervals. This is just 10 minutes of your day. Try to repeat it daily if you can, and join me in Bachi, and let me know below. Comment and let me know what your thoughts are. If you like the positive affirmations, if you like the kickboxing, if you want something else in these intervals. And if you haven't had a chance to subscribe, then subscribe and hit the little bell so you'll be notified of our videos that come out weekly. You're also welcome to check out bodyillumination.com, and if you subscribe to our newsletter, I will let you know what videos are coming out that week, and I'll also send you a little newsletter and any freebies that we might have that week. If you have not done any of these with us before, then please check them out. I'll send you some links above and below. So check that out and share with friends or family that might benefit from this. And let's get started.
Breathe, breathe.
Okay, we're nice and light on our feet. We're going to roll those shoulders back a couple of times, and we're jabbing and jab, jab, jab. Now you're welcome to march, 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 or you can stay light on those feet in a boxer's rhythm, okay? Nice and light. Here we go. 30 seconds. Breathe, march, 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 or a boxer's rhythm. So if you need to get that movement going a little bit sooner, and you just feel like getting light on your feet, then please do so. Stay nice and light. Quick jab in and out. Quick jab, quick jab, quick jab, quick jab, 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 jab. Good, and march it out. Nice job. I love the feeling of being strong and healthy. I love the feeling of being strong and healthy. Now we're gonna start here with a nice little tap, tap, 30 seconds. Now if you want to, you're going to change that tap to a little jump rope, okay? Keep the elbows in. So this is an imaginary jump rope, right? Jump, 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 or you stay with the tap. Tap, 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 tap. Okay, listen to those joints. If you need to keep low impact, you keep low impact, but keep the intensity up. I am happy and healthy. I am happy and healthy. So let's get started with our first combo, okay? This is the way the combo is going to look. You're going to come on down, so you're moving away, then you're going into your side kick and across, okay? Move away, side kick, cross, move away, side kick, cross, move away, side kick, cross. Here we go. Move away, side kick, cross, move away, side kick, cross, move away, side kick, cross, move away, kick, cross, move away, side kick, cross, move away, side kick, cross, get down, and kick, strike, get low, kick, strike, get low, kick, strike, come on, get down, and strike. I am focused. Okay, here we go, this side. Move away. Side kick. Cross. Move And time. Woo.
I am excited to wake up every day. I am excited to wake up every day.
Okay, pretty simple. 2 moves. You have a roundhouse and a hook. So this one's coming in here, kicking here, and this one's punching here. Ready? Here we go. If you're mirroring me, you're doing your left leg, right arm. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Lift that heel. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Time.
I have abundant vitality. I have abundant vitality.
Okay, so if you're mirroring me, same thing. We're going with your right leg, left arm. Right leg, left arm. Kick, kick. Come on, strike, strike. Yeah, yeah, yeah. One more set. One more here, one more. Okay.
I am full of energy. I am full of energy.
Okay, knees in towards your chest. Here we go. So out and in, out and in. 15 seconds. Excuse me, 30 seconds. That's it. Just 30 seconds. You can hold the backs of your legs if you need to. You do not have to be lifted on the platform to do this. Whew. One more, one more, one more. And time. Whew. Take a twist to one side and then to the other.
I am ready to take on this day. I am ready to take on this day.
Okay, nice and light here. I want you to think about hitting an imaginary bag. So you're taking your arms up, pulling your shoulders down your back, okay? So we're not up here, we're down here. And you're gonna hit that back, okay? Nice and light, stay light, keep the arms up. Hit that back, right here, quick. Speed bag, speed bag. Quick, 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 quick. Now, if you're starting to fatigue, you take the arms down. That's going to help to lower your heart rate. Also, you don't have to keep the box's rhythm. You can tap your feet or you can march. You want to take it up? You take it up, but keep those shoulders on your back body in that shoulder loop. Hit, strike, 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 strike.
My mind is sharp and my body is awake. My mind is sharp and my body is awake.
Okay, next combo, nice and simple. You're standing on your right leg, left leg, mirroring me. This is your left leg. You kick back and then you cross all the way around. So they're behind you. Kick, cross, kick, cross, kick, cross, back kick, cross. Look at them. Not at me. If you can, of course, you want the visual, you look forward, but this is where you're kicking, this is where you're looking. And you can keep that knee bent. If the hamstrings are not warmed up, you keep the knee bent, okay? And time.
I love exploring this world of fitness. I love exploring this world of fitness.
Okay, let's get situated. You're on your right leg. Strike back, take it around. Strike back. Strike, cross. leg, left arm, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Pull the core in. Breathe. You can let out a yeah, 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 yeah. One more.
Every day, I feel better and better. Every day, I feel better and better.
Okay, let's hang out with a switch kick, right? So this is the leg you're going to fake them out with. It comes up, and then you switch. Now, if you don't want to do that, you do this, okay? So it's a knee strike, or a knee strike, strike, okay? If you want to add that jump, you add it in. Here we go. Ready? Lower, low impact is here, or take it up. Come on, 2 more. 1 more. Yeah.
I feel young and youthful. I feel young and youthful.
Okay, same thing, other side. Ready? Or low. Or high. Come on. You decide. You can do 1 and 1. Whew. And time.
I feel rejuvenated. I feel rejuvenated.
Okay, we're taking it down nice and slowly. Come onto your hands and knees. Step your left leg forward into a runner's lunge and hold. Change sides. Walk it over to the other side and hold. Now step your legs together. If you have that yoga block, right, we're going to squeeze it between our legs. Right here, squeeze the block between your legs. Sit down and lift up. Nice and slow. Sit down and lift up. Now sit down, bring your hands to your heart. Hold here. Roll onto the balls of your feet and drop down into your heels. Toes up, drop down, sink in lower, and then come all the way up to stand. Do that again. Sit down, hands to your heart. Stay here, hold, squeeze the block. Squeeze the block tighter. Okay, squeeze the block, come on down. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale, squeeze the block. Inhale, exhale. Remove the block, step out to the side, and then come on down, hold here, flex the foot, come on lower. You want to feel that stretch through the inner thigh, your groin, and then change sides. Now if you have that block, you're going to use it again, so you're coming to center. Heel toe, open the inner thighs up. Hang out here. Close your eyes, soften. Hold on to the block, heel toe your feet in. Bend your knees and hang out here. Bend one leg, sink into that extended hip and open through the back of the leg. Power up through the extended leg. Change sides. Now your block is here to support you. Open through those hamstrings. I want you to feel invigorated when you leave this class. Extend one leg open through the back of the leg and extend the other. Bend your knees, round through the spine. Come on, up, 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 and have an awesome day. Thank you so much.